Selamat sejahtera Tuan. Saya hari ini membentangkan tentang Mekatronik Workshop Practice 2 DJM 20172 iaitu EDM wire cut. Sebelum saya memulakan pembentangan saya akan memperkenalkan diri sendiri dan rakan saya sendiri. Nama saya ialah Niru Bunga Anak Lelaki Satyamurti. Nombor matrik saya 15 DEM 25 F1006. Selepas itu rakan saya ialah warasan anak lelaki Devendran. Nombor matrik dia 15 DEM 25 F1012. Okay, now I would like to talk about our structure of this program. The first one is introduction, and the second one is working principle, and the third one is parts, and the fourth one is machining process steps, and the fifth one is advantages and disadvantages, and the sixth one is industrial application, and the seventh one is safety precaution, and the eighth one is exercises, and the last one is example of program. Okay, in this slide I would like to talk about our introduction. First one is EDM stands for electrical discharge machining. Wire cut EDM is a modern machining process used to cut hard and complex materials using electrical sparks. Instead of a cutting tool, a thin metal wire is used. This method is widely used in industrial that require high precision. Okay, in this slide, we would like to talk about what is working principle. Working principle is wire cut EDM works based on spark erosion. When high voltage is applied, electrical sparks occur between the wire electrode and the workpiece. These sparks generate very high temperature which melts and removes tiny amounts of material. The process is repeated continuously to form the desired shape. Okay, now we would like to know about what is role of dielectric fluid. The machining area is submerged in deodorized water which acts as a dielectric fluid. It helps to control the spark, cool the cutting zone and remove debris. It also improves surface finish and machining accuracy. Okay, now what is main component? The main part of the machine include the wire electrode, power supply, CNC control unit, dielectric fluid system and work table. Each component plays an important role in ensuring precious and smooth cutting. Okay, next one is wire electrode. The wire electrode is usually made of brass and copper and has a very small diameter, typically between 0.1 mm and 0.3 mm. It is continuously fed to maintain a consistent cutting process and prevent wire breakage. What is CNC control system? The CNC system controls the movement of the wire according to a program path. This allows the machine to cut very complex shapes with high accuracy and repeatability. Machining process steps. First, the workpiece is fixed on the table. Then, the required shape is programmed in the CNC system. The wire is fed and spark starts enrolling the material. At the end, the final shape is formed with high precision. Okay. Now, I would like to talk about machining parameters. Important parameters include voltage, current, pulse on time, pulse off time, and wire speed. These parameters affect cutting speed, accuracy, and surface finish. Material machine. Wire cut EDM can cut electrically conductive materials such as hardened steel, stainless steel, titanium, tungsten, carbide, and aluminum alloy. This makes it suitable for machining very hard material. Okay. Now, advantages. The main advantages are high accuracy, ability to cut hard material, No mechanical cutting force, excellent surface finish, and capability to produce complex shapes. Now I would like to talk about what is disadvantages. The disadvantages include slow cutting speed, high machine and maintenance costs, limitation that only conductive material can be machined. Now, what is industrial application? Wire cut EDM is widely used in die and mold making, geospace parts manufacturing, medical instrument production, tool and die industries, and precision engineering. Now, what is safety precautions? Operation must wear safety goggles and gloves. Electrical connection must be properly insulated. Water spillage near the power supply should be avoided. The machine must be properly grounded. That's all from me. Next slide, I would like to pass to my teammate Ilawarasan to present.
Thank you, Nermuga. Selamat sejahtera Encik Elmi. Nama saya Ilawarasan, anak lelaki Devendra. Nombor matris 15 DEM 25F 1012. Saya sambung slide Encik. Parts of EDM wire cut machine. Wire electrode system. Wire electrode system, thin metal, wire, brass, copper, zinc coated. Acts as a cutting tool. Continuously fed during machining. Seterusnya, power supply unit provides electrical pulses, generates spark discharge, control cutting energy. Selain itu, CNC controls unit controls wire movement, execute program cutting part, ensures high accuracy. Next, the electric fluid system uses deionized water, cools machining area, removes debris, controls spark. Next, work table holds the workpiece, provides stable support, allows pieces positioning. Then wire feeding mechanism feeds wire continuously, maintains constant wire tension, prevents wire breakage. Guide roller and wire guides. Guide the wire accurately, maintain proper wire alignment, improve cutting precision. Next, flushing system directs the electric fluid to cutting zone, removes motion particles, improves surface finish. Next, control panel or display unit. Interface for operator used to input programs and parameters, displays machining status. Part yang akhir, chiller or cooling system, controls temperature, prevents overheating, maintains machining stability. Okay, next we see programming in EDM wirecut. Programming in EDM wirecut is the process of giving instructions to the CNC machine to control the movement of the wire, cutting path, speed, and machining parameters in order to produce the required shape accurately. This is our G instructions, which is basically we use G01. G01 is linear cutting, and G02 is clockwise cutting. G03 is anti-clockwise cutting. Uh, in the M instructions, we basically use M02, which is stop the program, which means end the program. Next, we see types of programming used. First, manual programming G code. Commands written manually uses 10 CNC codes like G and M codes suitable for simple shapes. Second, CAD or CAM programming. Design created by using CAD software, CAD software. Toolpath generated using CAM software. Program transfer to machine used to complex the precision parts. Let's we see the basic programming steps. First, design the part in CAD software. Second, convert design into toolpath using CAM software. Third, generate G-code program. Fourth, load program into EDM machine, CNC controller. Fifth, set machining parameters. Sixth, start machining process. This is our example program which is we use to cut in machine. This is the exercises we did in our class. Let's play it. Next, this is our teammates we did. This is our example program we run in class. Let's see it. This is example number 1 and this is example number 2. Next, we see the simulation of EDM wire.
Kita kena masuk atas ke bawah, atas ke bawah, atas ke bawah, atas ke bawah. Dan ini kita switch ke bawah, atas ke bawah. Yang ketiga,
on compressor.
off ke on.
Terus dia tulis wire.
Connect dengan betul ke tidak. Okey.
Lepas tu check connection.
Compressor wire ini dengan compressor wire besi itu connect dengan betul.
After that, on the machine. Lepas tu juga on the machine. Lepas tu arah machine.
Kiri ke kanan?
Lepas tu on simulator, on kunci, lepas tu on start button, lepas tu kita kena tunggu sampai dia on. Lepas dia on, kita kena pilih mesin. Lepas tu kita kena pergi regular service. Kita kena pilih semua opsi lah. Sama tu kita kena, sebelum kita kena. Lepas tu kita pergi programming. Programming itu untuk letak program kita untuk potong. Masa kita pilih program, kita kena tekan edit dulu. Lepas itu kita pilih program. Lepas tu kita pergi grafik. Untuk tengok kita kena bentuk betul atau salah. Lepas tu kita kena check dia punya tools. Copper dia, kita kena pilih copper. Pilih copper. Lepas tu dia punya saya kita boleh letak. Yang bawah tu first kali kita kena pilih jog. X ni depan belakang kanan kiri, X Y. Okay. Lepas tu Z, maksudnya atas naik bawah. So ini cycle start maksudnya kita kena on potong. So sebelum kita pilih cycle start, kita kena pilih memory. Okay. Lepas tu feed goal maksudnya tiba-tiba dia kita nak stop, kita tekan saja feed goal. So mesin tu stop. Lepas tu ni EDM power wire feed, water tension mesin punya tension. Lepas tu fill maksudnya fill air dalam mesin tu. Drainnya kurangkan air dalam mesin tu. Lepas tu yang light hijau ni maksudnya dia dalam kita tekan benda tu dia macam warna hijau. So lepas tu memori dekat F1 tu lampu untuk mesin ni. So editnya kita kena edit program. Masa kita kena edit program, kita pilih edit dah. So lepas tu ini adalah alphabet, kita karakter X, Y, kita nak program, kita type X, Y ni X, Y, Z. So ini nombor insertnya, maksudnya kita insert masa kita buat program, kita letak insert dengan input. Ini pilih page. Kalau kita nak pilih sebelah, kita pilih saja ni.
Sekarang kita kena off-kan, kita kena pusing arah ke kiri.
Ini cara untuk off mesin.
Turunkan ke bumi, kita nak on mesin. Ini kita kena switch off mesin ini kepada arah ke kiri. Sekarang kita kena off-kan switch ini ke atas,
bawah ke atas.
lepas tu kita kena off-kan switch yang ni. Dan akhirnya kita kena off-kan switch ke bawah dengan atas. Itu saja.
Okey, itu saja simulation kami. Next, we here to see the end product of EDM wire machining bengkel. Here is it. This is our program. This is when the machine cut. This is how the machine cut. This is the way to take off our project.
Jari kunci. Ambil. Ni ambil.
Everything within special the wire.
Ni ambil. Ya.
This is our end product for our EDM wire cut machining bengkel. This is our conclusion for our EDM wire cut presentation. In conclusion, wire cut EDM is an advanced machining method that offers high precision and excellent surface quality. It is essential in modern manufacturing industries where accuracy and complexity are required. That's all from us, sir. Thank you.